Morning, viewers. A very pristine morning in the farm. Absolutely quiet. I can listen my own breathing sound, and of course, some birds chirping, and in the distance, the rhyming of cicadas. What you see here is actually a vermicompost bed which we have set up in the last month and a half. It's an open type using only material available within the farm, including the frame, which is nothing but some bamboo sticks and some coconut branches, right? And we are trying to create the compost using the mulch, which is everywhere in the farm, and with local worms, right? We don't go for Italian worms or whatever. And it's an experiment, ongoing experiment. We have actually made four beds, and the one you see here is the fourth one. And we hope we harvest some compost in about a couple of months from now. Just have a look around. You can feel the stillness and the silence